Yo, so we're out here on the lake, and I just want to talk to you guys about the water clarity a little bit and what's been going on with the upper lake. So for the upper lake, there's been a lot of debris still up there. Here's my buddy John at C3 Baits. Check out some of his posts right here.
Welcome back to C3 TV, your original lake condition broadcaster. As you can see, it doesn't look as bad as it has in the past, but over here you got your little cornered and buoy lined area. They're trying to trap it in certain areas, I've been hearing, and talking to the guards and the lake superintendents. I'm finding out a little bit more information than your average Joe. I'm not only a picture taker. So anyway, the plan is to keep scooping the stuff out with your bulldozers and your trucks until we get to a point where we can safely launch. You can see across the marbleization of Castaic that there is some serious drift still yet to come in. So we're dealing with those, and we're waiting for them to arrive at the ramp, as they will always arrive at the ramp due to the winds and the way the ramp is set up. You can see it's broken through the log boom. They tried to keep it over there by the tower, but that's not working. It will eventually be pushed this way. Water levels are still up, 14, 44, something like that. Doing good on water levels, but it's still, the debris is the story. It will continue being the story. We have rain coming in tonight, as you can see from the clouds, that will last for about 7 hours overnight. And not a big storm, but enough to wash more debris into the lake. As you look towards Kong Island, it does look like it's almost an island. Probably another foot or so. Got that little finger sticking out. But at your post, C3 Baits, original lake condition broadcaster.
And yeah, so it's just a tough situation, and what to look out for if you guys want to go up there, it's the winds. If you got a northern wind coming in, it pushes all that debris like right into the marina, and it just makes it so you really can't launch, or so it's very difficult. If you get some southern winds coming in for a day or two, it'll push it away. That debris will still be out on the lake, you know, but it'll just be off in those coves and out away from the launch area. So that'd be a better day to go out there and, you know, be prepared to launch the trolling motor or whatever you need to do. But yeah, the water clarity of both lakes is pretty much chocolate milk right now. I'll show you an example with the lower lake. Yeah, it is murky chocolate milk, like 1 foot visibility or whatever that is. It's so dirty, but it makes it tough, you know, that's for sure. Makes it tough for fishing, but hey, it's better than not fishing. No ice out here, we're not frozen over, so at least we can still get out and do it. But all right, we'll see. Yeah guys, so here's a little trip from mid-December. The lower lake's just been so murky and bad with the water clarity that it's been tough. There's been some skunk trips out there. Just caught the one good crankbait fish this year so far. So here's a little trip from a few weeks back where I was on some fish, and that's all I have for you now. Oh yeah, the Rios A-Rig, the new setup, Bass Mojo. New low down custom heavy swimming rod, crappie. That's 175. Fish. Nice healthy one. Nice 1-something pounder. That dude. That was a big old bite. A big old bite right there. Chunk, thump. Already. Nice one. Cold bath.